Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We've got a kick cylinder today. It is a Bill Bacardi number 23. Another one of these locks that's been in my naughty bin, and hopefully we can get this picked and get it sent off with the other one. Oh, the other one's been sent off, funny enough. That's already should be there soon, and this one's going to be put in another parcel. But I think most of you know Bill Bacardi, absolute awesome guy. He makes great challenge locks, and his bitting always got savage bitting. But as you can see, it's nice and smooth. Tiny little bit of a hang up, but not much. Hopefully though, we can get this picked. But before we do, if you're interested in lock sport or you want to get involved or you're just curious, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. If you like what you see on my channel, you want to see some more, please hit that subscribe button, a bell icon down there if you're on the mobile, as I make 2-3 videos a week from pit locking, from challenge locks to lock tutorials, all types of locks things. Also, I'm on Discord at Community Lock Sport and UK Lockpick as well. I have to think then. So many lists in my head that I have to get out. But hopefully we can get this picked. And we're going to use a hook from Bobby Keys. Very nice profile with a homemade tension wrench. Let's see if we can get this picked. Now, this has been really tricky lock. It's been kicking my backside, this. But I got it open yesterday. Oh, there was a click on 6. And hopefully we'll get it picked. There's a click on 5. A little turn of the cover. Get some counter, but I don't know if I'll just lock that back up. Might have to go for a reset. That's a counter. Oh, do it myself, that might help. But yeah, I think most of you know who he is, but if you haven't, please go and check out Bill Bacardi. Absolute awesome guy. He's a locksmith, but he's also a great pick and mix, awesome challenge lock, really is. One all-round great and very generous guy towards the community. And he's coming up to his 300 subs soon as well. He deserves many more. Yeah, I'll have to go for a reset. Let's try it from the front. Oh, got a little turn at the corner. 6. Oh, 5. A little touch on 5. Oh. 3. Oh, we're open. Wow. My fingers are numb from holding that tight. That was just nerve-wracking. That was such a hard lock to do. Well chuffed I got it open on camera though. Let's just give us 1 second. Sort this camera out. Let's take it out. A second, lock it back up. Yep, we're locked. Because we've got the key anyway. Let me pin it straight. Let's readjust this camera. There we go. I apologise. Right. Where's the key? There we go. I'm looking for the key. Oh, I do need that. Right, let's see what magic is in this lock. Get the pin out. There we go. We're through. So what we've got. Well, everything had to be picked. Very nice mushroom serrated keeping. We've got standard in 2. Got a very long serrated keeping in 3. A little serrated one in 4. Another very nice, same as pin 1. It's like a serrated with spool, serrated like a spool type, and number 6 is the same. Let's have a look at it here. We've got counter milling in 1, standard in 2, threaded in 3, threaded in 4, counter milling 5, 6 a little bit. Very cool. Alright, let's see what's in the Bible. It's really slowly, won't it? There we go. We got a spool in 1, and a steel spring. In 2, we got a really long spool. Oh, that's pretty cool, that. And another steel spring. Bugger. Oh, aha, that's alright. That is, I'll put that pin, it looks like it's wave, but it's not. Even though it's a drunken spool. That's where I was getting that nice felt set from. Number 4, slowly. Oh, we have another one. Get that spring out, there we go. Right, I'm going to turn it around for this one. Don't fancy them popping out and flicking everywhere. We've got a spool, another long spool in. That'll be 6. And a copper spring. Now we'll go to number 5. Oh, yep, there we go. Another drunken spool with a steel spring. Very, very cool. Nothing in the Bible. Bill does say though quite a lot that he doesn't touch the Bible, just because pins can get caught up inside there, and that makes perfect sense though, which is true. That's what we've got. We have got a very nice keeping with deep serrations, slightly mushroomed up at the top. It's going to catch you out. We've got a nice stock, and number 3 we've got some wide serrations, nice and sharp. Number 4, it's a steel pin with 2 little serrations. Number 5 is it's like mushroomed, and then at the top it's slightly cut down even more. And then number 6 is another, it's like a serration, slightly mushroom top type thing. Looks cool. Very sharp though, to definitely catch you out. Drivers, we've got a stock. It could be a stock or it could be made, you know, he does make some awesome stuff. So, but we've got a small spool, then we've got a long spool with a long ending on the driver. We've got a drunken spool in 3. a drunken spool in 4, and a drunken spool in 5, and in 6 we've got another very long spool. With all steel except for the last, which is copper. Absolute awesome lock. Great fun to pick. I've had been kicking my backside for so long, that lock. I'm finally so happy to get it done, and even happier just to finally get it sent off to someone else, because like I said, I hate keeping all the locks now. I'm trying to get them off. I mean, my stocks are dwindling. Got these. Now these are not naughty buckets, these are just locks where I've got to do videos for. So I feel like that's a stock. But these, just got to get videos up. And got a box full of here. These are the Cabba though. These are the back, we've all done these. They've been done. And I got a few other rates that need to get picked. But yeah, these are not naughty bucket ones. These are just ones from parcels, and trying to get videos made for them. It's not always easy making videos. When I first started this channel, it was really quick and simple. Now, I have so much setting up to do before I start making a video. It's funny. It is to me. I don't know how it is for yourselves. Do you just jump in there and get your lock out and go, right, let's get picking? I suppose because I'm in my kitchen, I have to set up all my lighting and everything. But yeah, I'm waffling. So, absolute fantastic lock. Thank you very much, Bill, for making that lock. Absolute awesome. I'm getting that put in a... it's going, as soon as I put it back together, it's going in the parcel. That'll be getting ready to go off next week to our friend Frosty. But awesome stuff. Great lock, mate. Thank you very much. So, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.